Hi everyone, welcome to today's video update. For those of you interested in the iOS 16 jailbreak, we have some great news. The MacDirtyCow exploit, which was released by Ian Beer, has been improved and is now being used in a number of jailbreak applications for iOS 16 running devices. The new exploit, dubbed TCCD, provides full disk access and has already spawned a number of applications that take advantage of this feature, including the SantanderEscape file manager. So, what is the MacDirtyCow exploit? It's a security vulnerability found in the macOS operating system back in 2020, and it allowed an attacker to gain root privileges by exploiting a race condition in the way the operating system handles copy-on-write operations. Apple has since patched the vulnerability and it's recommended to apply the security update to protect your system. Now, the TCCD exploit is a spin-off of MacDirtyCow, improved by another developer, and it provides full disk access, compared to the initial MacDirtyCow which did not. TCCD is a security vulnerability found in modern computer processors that can allow an attacker to access sensitive information. As a result, the TCCD exploit has already spawned a number of applications, including the SantanderEscape file manager for iOS 16, which uses the exploit for full file access. So, if you're running iOS 16.1.2 or lower, this is the time to stay tuned, as the exploit is becoming more and more powerful and more applications are popping up that allow you to tweak your device. That's all for today's update. Thank you for watching.